9. It's such a different beast with this motherfucker, though. It's insane, man. Like, that gun I don't have to really hold, like, into my body well to control it for the follow-up shots, but with this gun I really gotta... Like, I know I'm getting hits on the plate, but those are probably outside of the 8-inch circle for the real TCS standard.
It's only an 11-inch target, or a 10-inch target.
14. Those are 14. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, those are 14-inch reduced silhouettes. You want to run it again, buddy?
Yeah.
Shooter ready.
Ready.
Total different game for you.
I know.
You are to the SCAR what I am to a regular AR, man.
No,
huh?
like a